Hi guys, Tilesporcelain Limited in the northeast. Just going to show you one of these brown African Choco matte wood effect plank. Absolutely stunning tile. 1200 by 200 size, comes in the planks and on offer at the minute at £19.99 a metre plus VAT. Absolutely plenty of stock. You get the real look of the wood effect in it. If you can see the sort of nuts embedded into the porcelain. Suitable for walls, floors, wherever you want to put this. It's very, very hard wearing. Get in touch for a sample, guys. www.tilesporcelain.co.uk and 091 429 0279. And our friendly sales team, happy to help you. Just pan you down onto our floor. This is the sort of look you're going to get. This brown one here isn't actually this African Choco one, but that's the sort of look that you're going to get with the tile. So have a great day, guys, and speak soon. I'll be back soon.